It's me, Galaxy, the one you should not have killed. Hey, I'm just kidding. Hey Fulmers, it's Christine. We should really stop using English as our first language because the grammar sucks. And today, we're going to be doing a science experiment. So this is basically a science project for my school, but I kind of like, let's make it into a video, because why not? Except I'm missing a cloth, so let me just get that.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I now have it, so let's start. So this experiment, we're going to be making dew and frost. Oh no. Oh no, it's wet! So the thing that we need is 2 tin cans. It has to be tin, or else I don't think it's gonna work. Rock salt or table salt, which I have right here in a bowl, and crushed ice. So in one tin, put a mixture of crushed ice and half full and 4 tablespoons full of salt. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna be putting the mixture here first in this cup and then putting it here. So we're gonna put like ice, of course. Hopefully this doesn't make it worse. Putting in the other can, put only crushed ice and cold tap water. So okay, so here we're here in my toilet. So I just said okay, that's enough. So guys, that will be it for today's video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I know this is kind of like a different video because, you know, it's a science experiment and stuff. I had to do it for like 3 times and it was kind of stressful. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video.